Albert Einstein, life, scientific work, and impact on society. Early life and education. Albert Einstein was born on the 14th of March 1879 in Ulm in the German Empire. His family later moved to Munich, where his father ran an electrical engineering business. As a child, Einstein was curious about how nature worked. A simple compass given to him by his father sparked his interest in invisible forces like magnetism. Although he later became one of the greatest scientists in history, he was not considered an exceptional student in his early school years. He studied mathematics and physics at the ETH Zurich in Zurich, graduating in 1900. After struggling to find a university teaching job, he worked as a patent examiner in Bern. In 1905, while still working at the patent office, Einstein published 4 groundbreaking scientific papers. This year is often called his Annus Mirabilis, miracle year. These papers introduced revolutionary ideas in physics. Photoelectric effect explained how light can behave as particles, photons. Brownian motion provided evidence that atoms and molecules exist. Special relativity introduced a new understanding of space and time. Mass minus energy equivalence minus the famous equation E equals mc squared. His explanation of the photoelectric effect later earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921.
Einstein's most famous scientific contribution is the theory of relativity. Special relativity, 1905. This theory showed that time and space are not absolute. Time can move differently depending on speed. The speed of light is constant. It led to the famous formula E equals mc squared, showing that mass and energy are interchangeable. General relativity, 1915. Einstein later expanded his work into general relativity, which explains gravity not as a force, but as a curvature of space-time caused by mass. This theory helped scientists understand black holes, gravitational waves, the expansion of the universe.
In 1919, Einstein became internationally famous after an eclipse observation led by Arthur Eddington confirmed predictions from general relativity. Newspapers around the world reported that Einstein had changed humanity's understanding of the universe. He later worked at major institutions including the Prussian Academy of Sciences in Berlin.
Einstein was Jewish, and with the rise of Adolf Hitler and the Nazi regime, he left Germany in 1933 and moved to the United States. He joined the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton. In 1939, Einstein signed a letter to Franklin D. Roosevelt warning that Germany might develop nuclear weapons. This letter helped initiate research that eventually led to the Manhattan Project. Although his equation made nuclear energy possible, Einstein later became a strong advocate for peace and nuclear disarmament. Einstein spent his later years trying to develop a unified field theory that would combine all physical forces into one framework. Although he did not succeed, his efforts influenced later research in theoretical physics. He died on the 18th of April 1955 in Princeton at the age of 76.
Einstein's theories changed the scientific understanding of the universe. His work influenced fields such as cosmology, quantum mechanics, astrophysics, particle physics too. Technological advancements. Einstein's discoveries indirectly led to many modern technologies. GPS satellite systems rely on relativity corrections. Nuclear energy and atomic science. Solar panels, based on the photoelectric effect. Advanced electronics and quantum technologies. 3. Scientific inspiration. Einstein became a symbol of scientific creativity and curiosity. His ideas inspired generations of scientists and encouraged exploration of the universe. 4. Social and political influence. Einstein was also active in global issues, advocated civil rights in the United States, supported international cooperation, spoke out against war and nationalism. He even supported organizations like the NAACP in the fight against racial discrimination. 5. Cultural legacy. Einstein remains one of the most recognizable scientists in history. His name is often associated with genius and creativity. His influence appears in education, popular culture, Scientific research.